Hello lovelies, thanks so much for coming to my channel today. I say you are welcome, especially for the newcomers and for the old subscribers. I appreciate you. Today I will be putting on this solid soap with this kind of color, making your soap unique with soda ash. Okay, yeah, I have my oil here. I have the bleach palm oil and also PKO. I have 100 grams each, and then of course the oil is already warm. Always have that in your mind so that it doesn't form thick trace quickly. This is the oil I'm using, just 100 grams each, two types of oil. And do you know why we use two types of oil? The one for PKO, it makes your soap lathers very well, and the one with palm oil of course helps your soap to be strong. Okay, here is the caustic solution I'm using. The light solution is the same thing as caustic solution. The solution I have here is I have 90 grams of water. Caustics are 38 grams. Okay, and what you saw me pour is the soda ash I have soaked, and I'm using only 5 grams of soda ash to 20 grams of water. So I mix it with 20 grams of water. That's what you saw me pour. And what you saw me doing now is pouring my color into the caustic soda. Okay, instead of pouring the color into the batter, I'm pouring into the caustic soda so that I don't keep adding water, making it too excessive. So what I do, I mix the color with the light solution. This one will only work if the color you are using is water soluble. Okay, you can't use oil soluble for this, it will not mix well. Okay, so mixing it like this will give you the kind of soap I give you. So you just wonder, why did they get this pattern kind of soap? So that's what happened. So why did it happen? The soap did not mix very well. You don't have to allow it to mix very well with the caustic soda, so that those particles, like you saw, will come out very well. Okay, so you just find out that you have a unique kind of soap in the market, and to crown it again, you just package it. Oh my god, if you package it again to make it look so nice. Just to tell us once again, you can reach me on the line written on your screen, whether for one-to-one training, whether for online training, whatever, or if you want to join our free online class, you are free to join us. You will see the link in the description below. All the same, so I try to, of course, still break it, so it's the remaining particles of the color that is there that is eventually will appear on your soap. So what you see me doing now is I'm pouring my caustic solution there, the light solution, into the oil. You pour it and mix it. You pour it and mix it. You pour it and mix it. Okay. Okay. Just mix. Making all this is not difficult. You just need to know how to measure it. Measuring the chemicals accurately will help you a long way. If you have problem with your soap always forming too thick, it's always shrinking, you can reach me on that line and let's solve it out. So after mixed it and you see that it's properly mixed, you can now pour it into your mold. Okay, you pour into your mold, and then we let us wait. When it is solidified, we will come back and see it. just like what you saw at the beginning of the video. It's very simple. Less than 5 minutes I've made soup. Yes, shake it so that I can enter at every corner of the shape, that it can come out very well like it came out at the beginning of the video. Okay, thanks so much. God bless you. Like it, share it. God bless.